Hello and welcome grade 3. Welcome back. Today we'll take how to know the cell name. Cell name, cell means intersection of column and row. This is column, B mean column, A mean column, C mean column, and 3 mean row, 4 mean row, 5 mean row. Intersection of column and row called cell. This is called cell. Any rectangle called cell. Any rectangle called cell. Cell address, which is column letter followed by the row number. Like this one will be B3. Why B3? From column B and row number 3. It's called B3. B3. This is called C1. This is called D1. This is called D2. This is called C3. Okay. What is the data type in Excel? Data type in Excel text number formula. Again, data type in Excel text number formula. What's mean? It mean we can insert text in the cell. Yes. We can insert number in the cell. Yes. We can insert formula in the cell. What is the formula? What is the formula? I will tell you next slide, but you have to save it with me. Data type in Excel text number formula. Data type in Excel text number formula. Data type in Excel text number formula. Very important. Okay. Now, formula. What's mean formula? In Excel is an expression that operates on value in a range of cells or a cell. For example, equal A1 plus A2 plus A3. A1, A1 plus A2, A1 plus A2 plus A3, B1 plus B2, B3, B2 plus B3 plus B4. This one equal B2, B2 multiply C2. Okay, this mean formula. This mean formula. Okay, how can we build formula? Equal A1 or any cell you want. Okay? A1 or any cell you want. You have to put plus or minus or multiply or divide. But we have in computer we have to write multiply like this star. We don't have multiply in our computer, so we will write as a star. And divide will be as a slash. Okay, we don't have the mass divide, so we have to put slash like divide, and we have to put star like multiply. And next cell. Okay, let's start with practical. Now, we have now here A1 and A2, 10 and 5. So, we have to write formula to uh, give us the total result of A1 plus A2. You have to write in the first plus, sorry, equal. You have to write equal, equal. Without equal, we don't build any formula. You will not get any result. So you have to put the equal sign at the first of formula. Then after equal, we have to put the first cell. First cell here is A1 plus A2 and press enter. You will see the result. Okay. Here we can make subtract equal C4 minus 3. equal C4 minus C5 equal E7 divided J4 equal N10 multiply 1.05. It's called formula data type in Excel text number formula. Yes. Let's see how to make formula. Now I have here 15 and 15. I want to give result of 15 plus 15. So I have to write equal, then first cell will be P2. I have to write P2. Yes. Plus B3. If you can't write B3 or you don't have a time to write B3, just click on it. Just click on it. You will see B3 computer writing. Okay. Then press enter. You will see the result. Again, 15, 15. Give me the result of subtract equal first cell. I will press on the first cell, then minus, and press on the second cell. Press enter. You will see the result. 15, 15, and multiply. So I have to write equal first. And the first one multiply second cell. Press enter. 15, 15. You have to write the equal sign first, then first cell divided by second cell. Press enter. You will see the result. Okay, very good for now. Then we take in school this file. I want to make add here and subtract here and divide here and multiply here and make the total of this number here. And this one, try again, will change to very good. How to make it? Just put equal sign at the first, then first cell plus second one plus 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 and press enter. Very good. You have to put equal sign, then first cell minus second one minus third minus minus last one. Enter. Perfect. Divide. You have to put equal sign. First one divided by second one. Press enter. Multiple. So I have to put equal sign. First one multiple. Second one. Press enter. So I want to give me the result of total of this number. I have to put equal sign. So the first one plus second one plus third one plus fourth one and then press enter. If the correct answer here is the try again will change to very good. Yes, very good. Just try in your home and we will practice it to next week. Thank you, Albert. Thank you. Bye.